There we go. Okay. So if the word account near the top of the Photopea window is red, click on the word account and then go to free and go to, go to log in, the red button that says log in at the top, and go to log in with Google and use your school credentials to create a free account. Now, if you want to, if you really like it and you get used to it and you want to, you can also go ahead and do the $5 a month paid version. It's not too different, especially for what we're going to do, for what you're going to need. So the free account, and then you can close the window because you will notice that the little button that said account that was red is now orange. And now that it's orange, it means congratulations, you now have an account in Photopea. Okay, so let me get to my Photopea account. So this is what we're kind of working on today. I'm going to go, and you're going to do a new project. Oh, come on, do me good here, right? Okay, there we go. Okay. And you get a page that looks similar to this. Now, up here where it says name, so click on new project. There you go. Up where it says name, it says new project, but that's a terrible name for a new project. Okay? Click on new project. There you go. And we're going to change the words new project to the format that you need to name your projects, name your documents that you're going to turn in. Because I don't want to get a bunch of new project, because I have to download all of these to grade them. So if I get 85 new projects, I'm not going to know whose is which. And if you need to go back and find your elements project to show me because I forgot to grade it or whatever, it's going to be easier for you to find it with the name elements in the title than it is, untitled 1, 2, 3, 4, 78, whatever it is. So in black here, DP1 for digital photography 1 _ first initial last name, your first initial and last name, not mine, yours, okay? And then _ elements. Now, why would the last word of this title be elements? Because that's the project, yay! You're on it, I love that, that's great. Yes? Yes, in the name section, absolutely correct. Because that name means the name of the document. Doesn't mean your name, it means the name of the document, okay? So you've got, and I apologize again for my monitor being cranky, but it's cranky, right? Then you're going to come down, I'm going to see if I can zoom in here. Okay. So I have the title of my document, DP1 _ WMAIR _ elements. Then underneath the word create, there's the word print. And down here at the bottom is a document that's called letter, L-E-T-T-E-R. It's an 8.5 by 11 document. Now, when you click on letter, you click on print underneath create, and you click on letter, it gives you the measurements in something other than inches. It gives it to you in millimeters. Now, as much as I like the metric system, and we should all use it, we're on the empirical system here in the United States. So you need to change the millimeters measurement to inches. So you just go up and click on millimeters, and all this cool stuff happens. And you choose inches. And it should say 8.5 width, 11-inch height. Okay? I'll pause a minute and see how things are going there. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Now, the reason I have to take some extra time and make sure that everybody's on the same page, I get it, page slash, right, is because this is a really important part of doing things correctly. If you start with the wrong size document, it's like, what were you thinking? 95% of our documents are going to be US letter size, 8.5 by 11. Thank you. I think we're ready to roll. Okay, so now that I have the correct title, the correct size, the correct background color, I click Create. Yes, under Print, choose Letter, and then change millimeters to inches. And then when I click Create, I should get something that looks like this. Beautiful. Okay. So on this one, I have a new document and I've got one layer. The one layer is the background, it's white, and it's locked. All of that's good, very, very good. Okay? So I'm thinking about what I need on my document. You need 6 photographs, each one related to one of the 6 elements. And then I need 6 titles, one for each element. Okay? So I'm going to need 6 text tool labels and 6 areas to put my photographs. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my labels, because just like any graphics program, I can resize it, I can change the type style, I can change the color, I can do whatever I need to do when I get to the final document and clean things up. Okay? So this tool down here, the capital T, is the one that we're going to use. So let me, again, I'm going to zoom in here, see if I can get things going here. There we go. Whoops. Okay, so I have my capital T. I just click once, and then I click and drag.